Hi, this is a 3 bedroom plus maid and apartment with a built-up size of 1410 square feet. It is in Townsquare. I'm at the entrance. You enter, you see a kitchen. Kind of open kitchen. And just beside this, we have a dining and sitting area with a balcony. This is a view from the balcony. I'll go there, road view, and there is one more balcony in the master bedroom. So here is the corridor. We have this on the right hand. Is a powder room. And then our first room. This is the laundry space. And this is the main room, which they are using as a storage, and it has a attached washroom. Straight we have is a master bedroom, and this is a second washroom which is being used by the 2 rooms except the master room. And the second room. If you guys are interested in this one, you may reach me out. The number and the contact details are mentioned. It is for sale. 3 bedroom plus maid apartment, Zahra.